Let's say that you don't have money in the bank to be able to give a down payment for your property. And if you go to the bank, they might approve you for a loan, but you have to pay interest for that loan to that bank, and that interest is going in the bank's pockets. And if you ask lenders for a loan, it's going to be the same thing. Having to pay that money back to them, and you're paying interest to the lenders. Instead, you can use your 401k account money, give the down payment for the property so you can own it and continue to make payments, and you're paying interest for this 401k loan, but you're paying interest to yourself. Which option is better, number 1 or number 2? I like number 2 better. So which option is best, number 1 or number 2? I'm sorry, but I'm using my 401k money, and I'm paying interest to myself for using my own money. What option is for you? I hope it's number 2 too. This is how the 401k works. Now, if you want to make other investments, you can go ahead and use your 401k money if you want, depending on how much money you have in your 401k account. This is what you have to look at. And if you have enough money in your 401k account, you can do the same process over. You can make another investment by asking for another loan. They might approve it. You can also make offers for the property, so you can have the money at hand and you can buy the property a lot faster and at a cheaper price. This is another thing, another advantage that you have. Once you have the money at hand, you can be able to make offers and get the property for a cheaper price. This is another advantage, another opportunity, but you have to come up with that. And I just gave you a tip. You can also make offers, and you can also have the sellers sell you the property at a lower price. This is another thing you can do. And this will be a better investment because you might get the property at a lower price if you decide to buy the property from the seller. Ain't that great? That's amazing. And you can save money too. This is another great thing. You can even negotiate the price with the seller and get the price of the property at a lower price . Now, you might be wondering, how can you get a loan from your 401k? Now, as to how you can get a loan from your 401k account. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I get a loan from your 401k account? For this, you will have to go to the front office at your employer and tell the front office people that you want to get a loan from your 401k account. You might be asking yourself, how do I get the loan from my 401k account? For this, you will have to go to your employer in the front office, ask the front office person that you want to speak to someone, because you need to get a loan from your 401k account, and they will be able to help you out with that. You can also go online and open an account with the 401k company, but for this you will need the name of the website. Then you have to open an account with them, and all these financial companies are very strict, a lot of security. So when you go online to open an account with the 401k, they will ask you for a lot of personal information, and you have to make sure it's a safe site, it's secure. And for you to know if it's a secure site or not, right on the top of the browser, right on the left hand side, there's a lock. That lock has to be locked, and that means the website is secure. If the lock is not locked, that is an unsafe website. Do not use. Check all that information first before you open an account. Once you open an account, log into your 401k account, then you can read all the information and find the link where it says 401k loans. And you have to go through the process. You have to read everything. Once you fill out the application and once you submit it, then they will let you know if you're approved for the loan or not. If you're approved, then they will tell you when you will be getting your check or when you will be getting your direct deposit right in your bank account. You have to find a link where it says 401k loans and how to withdraw money from your 401k. Read all that information. Once you have read that information, fill out the application for your loan. Then you have to submit the loan, and then you have to wait for them to see if they approved it or not. And then you go from there. And once you're done with all that information, once you got your information, then you can go ahead and log out of your account to keep it safe. And this is the way you get a loan from your 401k account. Your money. Now, it is up to you to use your money for this kind of investments or not. It is your decision. You make that decision. So if you decide that you want to use your 401k account, you can go ahead and use it. It's your decision. Let's say that you don't have enough money in your bank account to be able to make this kind of investment. Well, you can go ahead and use your 401k if you decide. And what a best way to make an investment using your own money to pay interest to yourself, and then you're gonna own your own property or properties. Now, this is all the information and how to take advantage of this opportunity. These are all the advantages, the opportunities that you can have with the 401k and more. And I hope this financial information helps you make better investments and save your own money. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below and I'll do my best to answer you back. If you found this video information of value, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Make sure to share the video with everybody you know. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment box below and I'll do my best to make more videos like this for your own good. Thank you for watching. This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions. See you in the next video.